Alright, so there is another OnePlus smartphone coming in the market. You already saw the 12R, but now I have the OnePlus Nord CE4. I'm going to unbox this and show you what you get inside the box and a little extra in this video. This is Fiiber by India Today, and this is the unboxing of the OnePlus Nord CE4. So right now I'm taking the wrapper off the Nord CE4 box here. Let's just see what's inside, and I'm expecting a lot from this phone. I should be. I mean, it's a popular device in the OnePlus range. This is the information docket. I'm sure there's the cover and the other information document. This is the phone, and we will take care of it later. First, let's see what's inside the box. This is of no use. This is the charging cable that we have here, and this is a 100 watt, I think, 100 watt charger. Where is it? 100. Oh yeah, that is it. 100 watt charger in the box. So yes, that's what you get. Let's just see what we have in this. It's the SIM ejector pin, and then there is the card, cable, documents. The most important of it all is the cover. We have the cover here as well, which we will take a look at later. But right now, just separate this and have a look at the phone. Looks nice. I like the color. It's a bit of a marble finish given to the back, which I'm sure a lot of people would like about this phone. But again, we cannot show you what is inside as far as powering on the device is concerned. We are not allowed to. But this marble finish, I really like. It's a sort of a glass plastic finish that you get with this device, and overall frame and structure very plasticky. But yes, this is in the budget category what we get. The overall design looks quite compact. The finishing on the sides, the IR blaster, the microphone, the camera module gets this transparent finish, and there you have the flash, stereo speakers. In fact, these are the speakers, the Type-C port and the SIM tray. So overall basics covered with this device. You have the volume rocker and the power button. There's no alert slider here. You don't get it in the budget category, but yeah, I would have loved it if OnePlus added in this category as well. But that's the overall device what we can show you. We can't power the device on, but yes, this is the overall look and feel of what the OnePlus Nord CE offers you. Interesting choice of colors. A lot of people are kind of moving into that marble finish, a sort of form factor or design philosophy. I think I liked it, but let's see what the consumers feel about the OnePlus Nord CE4. I will be talking more about it in the full review, but as far as the design is concerned, this is what it offers. And let us know in the comments what you think about this kind of a design from OnePlus. Inside the phone, you get 8 GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage, and a Snapdragon 7 Gen 3 processor, which means that you're getting this device in the mid-range category. So overall, I think it's looking to target in the 30 to 35 category. If it's less than 30, I think it would be great pricing. But you look at the competition, you have the Samsung A series, the Poco X6 Pro. So pretty much, I think OnePlus is trying to intimidate these competitors by saying, hey, I'm giving you some awesome specifications. Why not try me? But again, we'll get more details about the phone in our comprehensive review. But in this video, we can just talk about these specifications that we know about the OnePlus Nord CE4. But stay tuned for the complete review, because that is going to give you a comprehensive understanding of what the new Nord offers.